Hi, in this video, let me show you how to connect your MacBook Neo to an HDMI cable. This way, you can connect the cable to an external monitor, a TV, or any other display. So the MacBook Neo, as you know, only has two USB Type-C ports on the side. There is no HDMI. To connect the HDMI cable, you can use different methods. Method number one is to get one of these adapters that is HDMI in on one side and on the other side USB Type-C. You need to be very careful when selecting these adapters. The cheaper ones will only be able to output 30 frames per second, which is not enough. I find this choppy, and I'm pretty sure you'll find the image pretty deceiving. You need to find one of these adapters that is 60 frames per second or more. I'll put links in the description towards Amazon if you want to check some out. If you don't want to buy one of these adapters, you can also purchase an HDMI cable. You see, this is HDMI to USB Type-C. You will avoid getting an adapter. All you have is the cable and it's enough. You connect the USB Type-C in the computer and the HDMI in your TV display, whatever. Finally, the third method on how you can do this is to get a USB hub like this one. There's so many on the market, and some of them will also have an HDMI port. So this could be more useful by connecting the dock to the computer using a USB Type-C cable. You'll have access to more USB ports, since here only have two. This dock has 3 on this side, plus on the other side an HDMI port. So this could be more useful for you. Obviously, these are more expensive than the other options I showed you. So let me give you a quick demonstration. First of all, the USB port that you need to be used to convert USB to HDMI needs to be this one, the first one, not the second one. It will not work. I already tested this out. So I'll connect it in the first USB port of the MacBook Neo. Once you see this on your TV, computer, no matter what, okay, you're gonna go on the top right corner, select this option, click on choose content, select how would you like this monitor to work. So do you want it to be an entire screen, so a screen mirroring? Do you want it to mirror only a certain app, or do you want to extend the display of your Neo? I'll select the first option and select start mirroring. And right away, as you see, it is working. Let me show you a few different settings you can change. If you go on the top left corner, select the Apple logo, select system settings, then you're going to select displays. You're going to have your two displays over here, and if you have selected the other display to be an extension of your Mac Neo, you'll be able to drag it and place it exactly where it belongs. So if, let's say, your display is above your Neo, you can put it on the top, so it makes sense when you pass the mouse like that. Otherwise, there's a few different options over here that you can change. Click on your external display and you'll have more settings, including the resolution. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, check my Amazon links, and I'll see you in the next one.